In HubSpot, there are objects that help you organize your data. The 3 key objects that are part of your sales process are contacts, companies, and deals. First, contacts. Every individual in your database, whether they're a lead, a partner, a customer, a vendor, whoever, every individual you've collected information about is a contact in HubSpot. Companies. These are the organizations your contacts work for. And deals. Deals represent recognized revenue opportunities. To navigate to one of these records, select the object from your main navigation. In this example, we'll select Contacts. Navigate to a contact record. Here you have pertinent information about the contact, company, or deal, and you can associate the records to each other. For example, Courtney is associated with her company record, HubSpot. If you connect with Courtney and now track her as an opportunity, you can create and associate a deal record. On the right-hand side, you can log new activity with the contact and view previous activity on the contact's timeline. These object records are the core of the system. But it's not good enough to just have the records. You need to know things about them. You may be familiar with fields or spreadsheet columns used to store these key data points. In your HubSpot CRM, these key pieces of information about your contacts, companies, and deals are stored in properties. To go to your properties, navigate to the top right-hand corner and select the setting gear icon. On the left-hand side, click Properties. There are hundreds of default properties in your CRM, and you can also create custom ones. It's important to think about which of these default properties are important to you and to ask yourself what else you need to know about your contacts specific to your business, and then create custom properties to store those key pieces of information.